Welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back with another video, and it's been a minute since I did anything on this channel. I'm going to do my best. Sorry, not continue, but I'm going to try to do my best to upload more on this channel more frequently. But just remember, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, turn notifications on, and comment on what you want to see next. Today I'm going to talk about my first time doing a crochet wig. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I have the materials for a while now, and I wanted to do this video because I wanted to try my hand at making a crochet wig, and I think I did pretty good. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, but before I do, I'm going to show you the hair that I use. So give me a second, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so let's start with the hair. So what I used, as far as like color is concerned, I used the, let me see, I'm going to try to pronounce this right. So I used Lulu Tress Deep Wave with 18 inches in the color 99J. You can see it right here. And the reason why I used this is because I loved the color, I loved how it looked. So I wanted to try, just a bit different color and stuff like that. And I bought 2 packs. As you can see, both packs have all been used up. This was fully folded, and it had a soft texture. It says in the package right here. So it was soft texture, natural luster, long-lasting, natural curl, easy styling, and maintenance at an affordable price. These were like $4.99. So it was at least $10 that I spent. The next thing I used was the hair texture, so kind of give it a different feel. The Connecticut I think was like $1.99, so yeah. Next I'm going to show you the crochet needles that I used. These are the crochet needles that I used. I bought a 2-piece because I didn't think that I would need one, because I didn't want to actually lose one of these. That's why I bought the 2-piece crochet needles. So this is like the bigger one right here. You can see right here. I got these from Wish. I think these were like at least $2, maybe $1 or $2. The shipping was like really cheap. So, and then this is the smaller one right here, and it's all in the original pink. This is a little bit. No, which one was loose? Oh, let's tighten up a little bit. One of these was like the handle was a little bit loose, I believe, on this one, but I tightened it up a little bit, so it was easy. And this is a really simple tool. Like, this was not as difficult as it might look. So this is definitely good. This is an original latch and hook. All you gotta do is open the latch, put the hair in, put it through the braid or whatever, which is what I use. I used a braided cap I got from eBay. That was $2.51, free shipping. And yeah, so all the materials to create this awesome wig. And I'll tell you all that I had struggled with in a little bit. So right now I have my mannequin head. This is where the wig is underneath. I've actually been laying it down with, let me see. Nope, it's not that. Wait, did I put it back in my bag? I think I did. Okay. I've been laying it down with this Vigorol olive oil mega moisture mousse, which cost me $5.29. So this is a good bottle, good decent bottle. I love using this mousse. It's definitely good for curls, especially if you want to keep it, nice and set it overnight. And I've been keeping it under the little stocking caps, not stocking caps, but like lunch lady caps. And I've been keeping it under this silk cap, which cost me 50 cents at a local dollar store. So yeah, I want to show you what it all looks like. I've been using flex wax that I already had. I forgot how much the flex wax cost. So if you want to know how much flex wax costs, I probably like at least under $4, $4 to $5, to say the least. So I'm going to actually unravel all these, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So after what felt like hours, what took like minutes to undo each braid, this is what I came up with. Oh, I'm sorry, I have mirror on. Where's my remote? Sorry about that. So after what felt like hours of unraveling, like I said before, this is what the hair looked like after I pretty much did the whole entire installation. And on top of that, I did the the mousse and the lock treatment, which is liquid, oil, and cream. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. So yeah, so I kept the front curly. And the reason why I wanted the front, I always do bangs, I like bangs though. But I kept the bang curly in this like kind of straight to kind of really just give me like a messy hair look. And I'm sorry if it looks a bit like, what the fuck, why is it so dry? Because connecting on hair, I just realized it's not really easy to like make like a wet look. But either way, it came out pretty good. And I'm actually going to put this on my head. I've actually put this on my head multiple times because I had struggles with doing wigs. As far as like sewing is concerned, when I sewed it or glued it, it wouldn't fit onto my head because either the cap was too tight or the glue was just like not loose enough to the point where it's like, yo, this is not gonna fit on your head. Like, you really need to chill. So I'm gonna actually put this on my head and show you what it looks like right now. Okay, it looks a bit messed up, and I think it's the bang. I think I cut the bangs too short. Yeah, these bangs are really short, but nonetheless, it fits on my head. Let me push my braids. I got dookie braids underneath this, cause after I had my hair out in another video, it was looking crazy. But yeah, the bang is definitely, I cut this way too short. I should have just put it on my head instead of the doggone mannequin head, because on the mannequin head it looks like, oh my god, the bangs will look pretty awesome, but now it's just looking like, bruh, the bangs are too short and stuff like that. But this definitely looks good on my head. Maybe after a bit of styling and just brushing it a little bit, it'll probably look a bit better. This is my first time doing a crochet installation. You can tell that there's still a few parts that need to be finished. This is a braided wig cap, because from what the videos that I've saw, there were just like the basic like cool mesh caps with the holes and no braids, and then also the lace cap, which is the same styling, except there's like a little lace closure to kind of close it all together. And I didn't have the expertise. This is my, like I said, this is my first time crocheting, and it's definitely looking like I might need to do, I don't know what I need to do right now, because this is like all over the place. And I said, oh, I was gonna wear this eventually, but yo, I don't know. This hair will probably never see light of day, but I just wanted to test it out. Like I said, this does need a few little more adding of hair, and I think it's going to be all at the top, because underneath all this is fine. It's really good. It's just I might need to just fix this. But yeah, you guys, this is just my results. Right now it's just look a little bit like, what the hell is on my head, but just give me a minute to pretty much, you know, like do it and fix it up a little bit, and we'll be good to go. So this will probably be like a part 1 of the video, and then the next will be like an update of whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be enjoying the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and click the notification bell. We notify of all my videos. I'm gonna take this off my head right now because right now I might have to buy the Celeron hair again to kind of just finish it up a little bit, because as you can see, it's definitely looking crazy. And you know, yeah, but I will see you all in the next video. Bye. When you done with the video, and it's hard to take off the wig. Ew, ew. Oh, it's loose. Be careful doing wigs, guys.